Hey, good morning. It's Tuesday, August 19th. Hey, look, I got my backyard mowed last night, just in time for all that heavy rain came in last night. Looks pretty green, don't it? But they're forecasting rain for I think for Wednesday on through Sunday, so we'll see. But I'm glad I got it all done. And of course, there's Thumper. She's in her place. She guards from up above. Well, you could tell it's morning. I could hear roosters crowing all up and down the road. That one, I don't know what it is. It crows day and night. But I mean, it's not one of mine. It's a neighbor's. Now that one's mine. Speaking of rain, it feels like it's going to start raining again. But the weather said Wednesday through Sunday, but it was supposed to rain all day yesterday, and it didn't rain till late last night. So anymore, I don't know. They say rain, it don't rain. If they say it's going to be a clear day, it'll rain all day. But anyway, it's about, I don't know, I'm out here about 6:20 in the morning. And feels pretty good right now. The days are shorter because I used to come out here about, I think it was 5, and now I'm up to after 6, and they go in earlier now, so the days are getting shorter because the sun does set earlier now in the evening, so the day is getting shorter, the days. And we're almost finished. You hear that? I came out here yesterday afternoon to check on the eggs, and when I was going in the building, I didn't make it to the little door that I shut to the outside, and here come through the door flying was 2 of the new roosters. Big John was chasing them. They went out the coop door into the yard. He chased them out into the yard, the 2 new roosters. And then he goes back in the building. And so now they were, the 2 new roosters, now they were out in the yard. I said, thanks a lot, now I got to get them back in. But they were no trouble, they went back in. But he got mad at them for some reason, he chased them clear out. Hope everybody's doing well, and y'all have a good, safe day. And man, it feels like it's going to rain. And remember, if you don't know Jesus, I mean knowing, not just like John Hagee said, not just knowing who he is, but do you know him? Not just who you know who he is, but just ask him to come in your heart and be your Lord and Savior. Forgive you your sin, and he will. And if you believe that little prayer, he'll save you. and he'll turn your life around. But you gotta believe it in your heart. These chickens, they get rowdy in the mornings. I know you probably get tired of me saying this, but don't forget the people, the families in Texas that lost so many loved ones, that are still really suffering. See there, little roosters? And don't forget about the people up in western North Carolina and Peace of Jerusalem and all over the world. And pray for our leaders. Pray for our country. Pray for the world. There's people suffering all over. There's all kinds of homeless right here in the U.S. But remember them all in prayer. And I mean, I don't know what to say about people that are living on the streets, except for just, all I know to do is just pray for them. I don't know what else. I don't know what else to do. Pray for them. Look at these chickens. I dropped some greens, so I just left them at the gate. And just in a few minutes, they'll have them all pulled in there. Watch, they'll just keep pecking at them till they get them all inside. Look, they're working on them. They'll get them all in there. I don't have to worry. And they got plenty inside. And again, I want to thank everybody that prayed for me. I'm feeling much, much better. I mean, I'm holding this camera pretty steady, you know. But anyway, everybody have a wonderful, safe day. Have a good day at work, if you work. Stay safe out there. So, I'm gonna call it quits here now, but I'm gonna thank everybody, all of my subscribers, all the good comments you're leaving me. I thank you for the good comments. Thank you for the new subscribers. Look. All right, everybody. Stay in prayer today. God bless you.